Hi everyone, my name is Joyce Yundu. Today I'm going to show you how to work with tabular data in ArcGIS Pro. So we have created our project with a blank map template and it's time to add data on our map. So we go to our catalog pane under projects and connected folders. We have our tabular data here, FMCG retail outlets, CSV. We right click on it and add to current map. It comes to our contents pane as a standalone table. Then now it's time to actually plot the data. So we right click on it and click on display X and Y data. And now a new tab opens where we have to input the table, of course, the name of the table that you're working with, the output feature class. So we are just going to remove this suffix, which is the name of the geoprocessing tool, and have output feature class as FMCG underscore retail outlets. Then for the X field, by default, it picks the longitude, or otherwise you have to specify. Y field is latitude. We don't have elevation. We leave the coordinate system as is and click OK. And once that is done, the geoprocessing tool runs and we are able to see our data plotted on the map. Yeah, so we have our points plotted on the map. We can just zoom out a little and see that our points actually plot within Nairobi. So we can actually go ahead and just symbolize that using unique symbols. So we click on the point, click on the feature, click on symbology, and we can symbolize that using unique values and pick a field which we want to symbolize our data with. And we can actually select so we symbolize our feature using unique values, and the field that we have chosen to symbolize with is the outlet type size. And we have here the symbology classes. You can see we have kiosk, large duka, large grocery, small duka, up to supermarket level, and we can see them visualized using different colors on our map. Thank you. That's it for now. See you next time when we'll be working with tabular data on ArcGIS online.